Hello from MacHobby.com. This is CUI Mac, Josie. So here we go. We're at Chi Nature's temple, my temple. Take a look at the signage. This is my store. Okay, so for both of all of you who doesn't know that I own a temple, please check out Chi Nature's YouTube channel. That's my other channel. So here I'll do a review on the this light here. This is okay. Let me use another flashlight first. Okay, this is the Nitecore TM26. It's a new flashlight. 3,500 lumens. So now let's take a look at that up the sky. Okay. Low mode, low, medium, high. Okay, and then this is the highest mode, 3,500 lumens. Take a look at up there at the sign. Whoa, look at that. And take a look over there, the furthest. Okay, now let's try again. Low, medium, high, and of course we got a show mode. Super bright, 3,500 lumens. Okay, everybody. So thank you for watching and hope you like the nice test. Remember to subscribe and like. Bye bye.